Hey, it's Sarah here. How you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about why most aspiring entrepreneurs never succeed. And there's a lot of reasons out there on why someone may not succeed when they're looking to, achieve something like, becoming an entrepreneur, of course. But in this video, I want to talk about what I believe is by far the number one reason why most aspiring entrepreneurs never get the results that they are really striving for. So ultimately, when it comes to growing an online business or any type of business for that matter, it generally comes down to one thing, one very important thing, and that is having a very long-term mindset, and also understanding that whatever it is you're looking to build online, you're not going to get results right away, especially if you're completely brand new, you're just getting started. But most aspiring entrepreneurs, most, I guess you could say, wannabe entrepreneurs, don't realize this in the beginning, and that's kind of the sad truth. A lot of people are coming online, they're constantly looking for easy and quick ways of making a quick buck online. We live today in a society of instant gratification. Everyone wants that instant gratification. I mean, think about this for a minute. You're watching this very video right now, on a device that could do so many other things, in terms of different forms of media. I mean, right now you could actually be on the same device you're on. You could be playing a game, you could be watching a TV show, you could be watching a movie, you could be, even watching the news. You could even be out with friends, gossiping about other people. You could be doing so many other things right now, and most people would much rather spend their free time doing things that brings them instant satisfaction right away. Most people would rather focus on things that if they feel good in that moment, but in the long term it doesn't really set them up for long-term success in their business. It doesn't really set them up for long-term happiness. So when a lot of these people, they start hearing about, okay, I could grow a business online and I could have this lifestyle of freedom, being able to work wherever you want, most of these people, they think that, okay, well, I mean, we live today in an age where there's so much information out there that people are constantly looking for quick and easy ways to make a quick buck online. I mean, man, there's got to be something out there. There's got to be this push button system. What is the best system to join? What is the best business opportunity to join that's gonna, if I join it now, will it make me money in the next 2 days? That's what most people are really looking for. They are opportunity seekers, I guess, is really the best word for them. They're constantly looking for new opportunities, and they're not really sticking long term with one thing in particular. They're constantly looking for all these different loopholes and how they could start generating fast money online. And this is generally like the mindset you really don't want to have, especially if you want long-term results. Like if you want to live that lifestyle of being able to work wherever and whenever on your own terms. You cannot have this very short-term mindset for anything. You got to be willing to go into something long-term, and this goes for any business you are building. It could be affiliate marketing, it could be e-commerce, it could be network marketing, it could be coaching, consulting. Especially if you're brand new, chances are you're not going to get results right away. It's going to take you lots of trial and error in the beginning. It's going to require that you actually invest into good mentorship that's going to show you how to go from where you are right now to where it is you want to be in the next 3 to 6 months, or maybe even a year from now. And most people, they aren't willing to do that because they think that this just seems like too much work. Putting out content out there sounds like too much work to average people. Investing into advertising, learning how to properly market online and actually learn how to advertise a product out there that is there to solve a big need in the marketplace. Most people, they look at that and they think, okay, that sounds like too much work. Here, what's the best business opportunity I could join? What's the quickest way I could generate money right now, today? I need money right now. That kind of goes along with it. A lot of people are desperate to really get into the money right now. They cannot wait to any longer than just a few seconds to generate cash right away. And this is actually the reason why survey sites are so popular nowadays. I mean, you look at sites like Swagbucks, Prize Rebel. I don't what other ones are even out there. I mean, there's so many of those sites that, and generally these sites, you could be working on it for hours. You could be working on it for a whole month, and you'll get paid like peanuts pretty much. But most people would rather settle with that than actually build something long term that will actually benefit them in the long term. That's just the harsh reality of the situation. And this is why majority of people, they never succeed in anything that they do online. They're constantly struggling. They're constantly complaining about everything being a scam. They're constantly, whatever. If they have like some sort of product that they want to promote or some sort of business opportunity, what they do is, instead of actually putting out valuable content out there, instead of actually building trust with people and building up connections with people one-on-one, they would much rather go on Facebook groups and spam links out there saying, hey, if you buy into this thing, you'll make X amount of money in this amount of time. And a lot of people that they are putting that out there for are people that they have that get rich quick mindset, and they don't want to do any long-term work. So then these people are always complaining that nothing works, everything's a scam, and it's just this constant cycle of doing the same thing over and over again, and expecting to get consistent results. People are playing this game called whoever gets lucky. If they send enough traffic to an offer, if they get enough random people to click on their link and buy one of the stupid products that they're promoting, one of these little these business opportunities that they're promoting, they're hoping that if they get enough people to click on their link, they'll get like a little $20 commission or something like that. So most people who come online, they spend lots of time bugging strangers, spamming links out. They're constantly looking for easy and quick ways to make money online. And the thing is like, if it was truly that easy, where you could just get a bunch of random people to view a sales page or sales video, if it was truly that easy to make money, like that, I mean, everyone would be a millionaire today, right? That's the truth about it. If it was that easy, which I mean, maybe 5 to 10 years ago, when this whole concept of building a business online wasn't booming like it is today, it'd be a lot easier to succeed in whatever it is you're looking to promote online, because you have less competition out there, and there's less people looking for this type of make money online type of stuff. So that is ultimately the main message that I want to put out there, is that if you want to achieve anything long term, if you want to really build a business that supports you potentially for the rest of your life, you cannot go in with the mindset of okay, I need to make money right now. You cannot be desperate. If you're in a desperate position, the best thing you could actually do is, well, to be honest, work a job if you can. Don't try and build any business if you are saying, okay, I only got $49 to invest in the program, and I can't afford to waste any more time on all these scams out there. If you're talking like that, you shouldn't join anything. You shouldn't join any mentorship program. You shouldn't join any business. Instead, you should work a job, save up as much money as you can, maybe even take on a second job, like something maybe that's seasonal. Do something, that could get you some extra money. Maybe do Uber and Lyft. Maybe do DoorDash, or, one of these other apps out there. Maybe do some freelancing work, you know what I mean? And save up money that way before you even try and, build a business, because any business that you build, it's a long-term thing. It's not something that's going to generate you money right away, and that's just the harsh reality of it. So that's the message I want to put out there. Hopefully you found this video helpful. I know in this I was kind of ranting a bit, but I really wanted to put this out there because I know that a lot of people who are coming online, they're constantly complaining that nothing works, everything's a scam, this business is a pyramid scheme, even though all it is you're just marketing a product. If there's an actual product involved, it's not a pyramid scheme. If it's just, okay, let's get a bunch of people to join this thing and there's no actual product, then you can call that a pyramid scheme. So again, that's the message I really want to put out there. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. And if you'd like to learn how you could build a profitable business online, whether it's through affiliate marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping. There will be a link in the description where you can get access to a free webinar that my mentor is going to be hosting, and that will show you how you can become an independent marketer and pretty much succeed in whatever it is you're looking to promote online. So when you actually learn the skills that are taught here, you can market whatever it is you want online. It's not about, does this program work? Does this product actually sell itself? Because when you actually get the right skills, when you focus on learning the right skills to, market online effectively, then you can market anything you want. So it's not a matter of what works, it's a matter of, can you actually really succeed in learning the right skills, and can you manage to, actually influence someone to want to buy something? That's really what it all comes down to. So be sure to check out that webinar. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Again, share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and take care.